Hello adventurers, this is Bhanu Pundir, the Trek expert for the Searching Souls. When preparing for the Kuari Pass Trek, packing the right essentials is crucial for a safe and enjoyable experience. And I'm here today to help you pick the right gear to ensure a memorable adventure in the Himalayas. I will categorize the items in three sections for you to keep a note of everything easily. Now let's first start with the basic Trek essentials. This includes all Trek items required in the Kuari Pass Trek. The second will be clothing or layering. In this, I will let you know about the necessary clothes required for the Kuari Pass Trek. And the third is the personal utilities. This is inclusive of useful items that are required for the Kuari Pass Trek. So let's get down on the basic Trek essentials first. Point number one, the rucksack. 60 to 70 liters of a rucksack with rain cover will be perfect for this Kuari Pass Trek. Now, the rucksack should be inclusive of the chest and the waist straps to keep the weight equally balanced. You may also check our own manufactured rucksack, for which you may try placing the order online from our website. Now, during a summit climb, a day bag will play its important role, as you will only be carrying important items like poncho, a pack lunch and a water bottle. So a 10 to 20 liters of a day bag is more than enough. Third, let's discuss about the poncho or raincoat. Now it is definitely one of those important pieces of gear you will need to stay away from the unwanted rain showers around. And if you want to select in between a poncho or a raincoat, well, we recommend to have a poncho above raincoat, as it will cover your rucksack as well. And don't forget to buy an adult size when going for a poncho. Now, those bringing up the raincoat with them, please do not forget to carry an extra rain cover for your rucksack. Now, fourth is the trekking shoes. Now you will have to pay attention on your trekking shoes, mostly looking for water resistant property of it and good anti-slippery sole. Or else, let me make it very simple for you. Down in the video description, you will find the link of the video that we have already covered and posted on our channel on how to choose best trekking shoes for your winter trek. Now, the next one is the fifth, the headlamp. A good quality headlamp will help you to navigate easily in the dark, so to avoid any slip of your footing. And do not forget to keep extra batteries of it in case of emergency malfunctioning of the batteries or low battery issue. Now the next one is the trekking pole. It will help you to reduce your load while walking for around 20 to 30%. So a good quality trekking pole is required with adjustable length. Now, after the basic trek essentials, let's start with the clothing required for your Kuari Pass Trek. First up, let's start from the headwear. A sun cap is necessary to protect yourself from these sunburns, and in the night time, to stay away from the harsh cold, a woolen cap is necessary. You should also use a neck warmer along with the woolen cap to protect sensitive areas like forehead, neck and ears from the chilly windy weather. Now, two quick dry t-shirts. It is must to wear quick dry t-shirts, as it will keep you dry and sweat free during your time of the trek. To protect you from the sun, it is advisable to have a full sleeves t-shirt. Now, the thermals. This is the first warm layer of your clothing, and it should be good warm thermal linens, as it will be very important to protect you from the chilly wind around and makes you feel comfy and warm. The next one should be fleece or sweatshirt. In Kuari Pass Trek, when the temperature in the night will be below 0 degrees, it is important to have a good second warm layer of fleece. You may go for a fleece jacket or a sweatshirt or a sweater also. The next one is the down or padded jacket. Now this will be the third layer. Please do not compromise on it at all, as it should be of good quality and inclusive of the hood to provide you with the extra warmth. Also, get a jacket with utility pockets that will help you while trekking. For Kuari Pass dripping temperatures, the temperature rating of the jacket should be 0 to minus 10 degrees. Now the next one is the gloves. It should be waterproof, as it is a snow trek, and keep at least a couple of pair of warm and fleece gloves if in case one gets wet. Now the next one is the thermal lower and the fleece lower. Now you will need both of these separately to protect your legs, as thermal lower inner will be your legs first layer and second will be fleece lower to give yourself that extra warmth, especially in the night. Now the next is the trek pants. The 2 quick dry pants will be all set and will be required when you will be trekking in the day. So a normal one for it and the fleece one for the night. So please do not mix these two. Now the next one is socks. Now take a couple of pair of cotton socks for the day and warm woolen socks for the night. Lastly, here is the list of personal utilities you would require. So let's get it done quickly. Sunglasses with UV protection so that the snow around on a clear sunny day do not give us snow blindness due to UV rays. A sunscreen with minimum 30 SPF of 30 minutes. Sandals with good quality sole for the night. A moisturizer. The first aid kit is very crucial, and do not forget to keep any ailment specific medicine if necessary. Energy bars to keep yourself energetic on the trek. A lunch box. A good quality water bottle or a flask is must with insulation properties to keep yourself hydrated, drinking warm water when you will need it the most in that mighty cold out there. Also, do not forget to keep a photo ID proof. Lastly, mentioning few toiletries in this list: a toilet paper roll, soap and a hand wash. Wipes should be unscented ones. Toothbrush with a toothpaste and a sanitizer as well. Full body towel along with couple of hand towels. So that is all. Now when it has come up so simple and easy to carry all that is needed on this beautiful trek, well, here is the complete list once again which I have just talked about. You may take a screenshot of it. With these necessities, now you are not just prepared, but you are ready to dive into an unforgettable adventure that is awaiting with jaw-dropping scenic view of the Kuari Pass Trek.